JLPT in 5. Grammar Explanation, Lesson 25. H-bang. Plain past form plus ra if. When ra is attached to the past tense plain form of verbs, adjectives, etc., it turns the preceding clause into a conditional expression. This is used when a speaker wants to state their opinion, situation, request, etc. in the conditional. Example. Okane ga attara ryuko shimasu. If I had money, I would travel. Example 2. Jikan ga nakatara terebi o mimasen. If I don't have time, I will not watch TV. Example 3. Yasu katara pasoko no kaitai desu. If it's inexpensive, I want to buy a personal computer. Example 4. Hima datara tetsudatte kudasai. If you are free, please give me a hand. Example 5. Ii tenki dattara sanpo shimasen ka? If it's fine, won't you take a walk with me? Nibang. Verb ta form plus ra. When or after. This pattern is used to express that a certain action will be done or a certain situation will appear when a matter, action, or state, which is sure to happen in the future, has been completed or achieved. The main sentence is always in the present tense. Example, 10時になったら出かけましょう. Let's go out when it gets to 10. 家へ帰ったらすぐシャワーを浴びます. I take a shower soon after I return home. Sangbang, verb te form plus mo, even if. This expression is used to present a reverse condition, contrary to the plain past form plus ra. This expression is used when an action expected to be taken or an event expected to happen naturally under given circumstances does not materialize or a thing turns out in a way opposite to a socially accepted idea. For example, Ami ga futte mo sentaku shimasu. Even if it rains, I'll do the laundry. Yasuko te mo watashi wa grupo ryoko ga kirai desu. Even if group tours are inexpensive, I don't like them. Benrai de mo pasoko no tsukaimasen. Even if a personal computer is useful, I won't use it. Nichiyobi de mo hatarakimasu. Even if it is Sunday, I will work. Yobang, mushi and ikura. Mushi used in a sentence in the plain past form to indicate beforehand that the sentence is going to present a condition. Ikura used with temo to do the same. Mushi implies that an emphasis is on the speaker's supposition, while ikura is meant to stress the degree of conditionality. Example, Mushi ichi okoen atara iro-iro na kone o ryoko shitai desu. If I had 100 million yen, I would want to travel in various countries. Ikura kangaite mo wakarimasen. No matter how much I think, I can't understand this. Ikura takaku te mo kaimasu. No matter how expensive it is, I will buy it. Gobang, noun ga. The subject of a subordinate clause is indicated by ga. In subordinate clauses using tara, temo, toke, maini, etc. In addition to kara, the subject is indicated by ga. Example, Tomodachi ga koro maini hiya o souji shimasu. I will clean my room before my friends come. Tsuma ga byoki no toke keisha o yasumimasu. When my wife is sick, I take a day off work. Tomodachi ga Yakusoku no jikan ni konakatara dou shimasu ka? If your friend doesn't come on time, what will you do? Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe to Japanese Learning Hub for more tips and lessons. Mata ne!